Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Today I'm gonna highlight something a little bit different, but this is called it's called what's the name of this? So that kind of symbolizes the whole space. So the dragon goes all the way down, and now you can see the whole dragon. That one is called pork chop bun. Okay, so we're on a rainy day here in Macau, and this is called Horta y Sousa. So we're gonna just walk down this little street and just kind of show you what's around here and give a little context. There's a lot of people over here, so we're gonna walk over there as well and just give you an idea of this plaza and also the street right here as well. And we got this very busy street that we're also gonna tap into slightly, and this is kind of a food street. And we're going to show you all that, so stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're going to go right in here first. And the first thing we're going to do is just go up there. So it's called Horta y Sousa, and this is kind of the busy street in here. We're gonna come back here in a minute, but you can see all the umbrellas. And usually I walk all the way down the street, but today I'm gonna highlight something a little bit different. But this is called it's called what's the name of this? It'll come to me in a minute. But you basically have all this food here, so they call it Food Street as well. The name will come to me in a minute, but that's like, it's not actually our target street anyways. Our target street is actually this plaza, and I usually try to document the streets and what they're like. And actually this one is Horta y Sousa, so I'm gonna come down and highlight this whole street and just kind of show you. It's basically other restaurants as well. And we're going to come back down it in a moment, but we're just going to come down one side and we're going to go through the park in a minute as well. This one has a giant pig. That one is called pork chop bun. That's why they got the pig. And we're just going to walk all the way down, and on this corner we also have kind of a nice space. And this one is since 1965. There's even a window up there with some people. So we'll try to get another angle of that in a moment as well. But that's basically our street right there. Then we have some other alleys down this way as well. And that goes all the way down to like the fire station thing. So we also got a little bit of a space down that way too, which is a school. Okay, so let's go. There's our target street right there. Horta y Sousa. So usually I have filmed in this area before, but I usually go down that food street. But today we're gonna get a little bit of a different feel. So that's our target street. That's that 3-story restaurant right there with people hanging out, and then an apartment next to it. Let's go into here. So it's kind of a rainy day today, so a lot of people with kids in particular are in this particular area. And we're gonna navigate over here. And if you take a look at this, you can see a dragon scale. It goes all the way down like that, right? And it also divides the park from the, there's a fountain right there as well. So there's our target street down that way. And just so you can see the dragon fully, you can see the leg right there. And then you can also see the head. So that kind of symbolizes the whole space. So the dragon goes all the way down. And now you can see the whole dragon. Look out right there. So you're kind of getting a little idea of, oh, and this is called Kunyigai. So that street right there is called Kunyigai. And then if you go up here, you go up into, there's a church way up on top. And then you got some nice restaurants in here too. And that goes all the way down to Galaxy Casino. So you can see Galaxy Casino all the way down in gold. And then this street is called Kunyigai. So we are going to go back to our target street in a moment, but I just want to give you the full. So these are little alleys. This is called the good casados, I think is marriages, the good marriages, the good families, or good houses as well. I think it's marriages, the good marriages. And then this one goes down to Clérigos. We're just going to go down here briefly. You can see more shops down here. Another pork chop bun, another pig, same restaurant. So I guess they make quite a bit of money. So they open up a second restaurant right next to the other one, not too far. The other one's down there on our target street. And on that note, we are shortly going to, let's just kind of come out here a little bit. So that's basically our target street right there. Rua y Horta y Sousa. So it's just basically this little row of restaurants. And I guess we'll also highlight, since we're here, we'll highlight this place that people can sit, but it must be a little bit wet today. Yeah, it is. Usually people will sit in this area as well. Okay. So anyways, Horta y Sousa. I am gonna come over here real quick. I just want to highlight this. Of course, that's our target street, but over here there's a story called hello, how are you? He turned around to look at me, so he's just kind of watching me. So Feira de Carmo Fair, the earliest records of the old Taipa market. Okay, so 1886. Taipa used to be a small island that was outside of Macau. I mean, separate from Macau because it was an island. So this kind of talks about it, and then this old Taipa market, which is right behind us. And then a link to these two streets that were where that dragon is at. And then this Community Barbosa used to go to, it was all the way down that way. So anyways, that's a little bit of a background of it. And on that note, we're going to end our video. It's kind of cool. Okay. And then that one I didn't quite show, but I think this is a different street. But if you go in here, there's just kind of leads into a little labyrinth, and there's a school back in there. But that's that nice little corner building. And this is called Rua y Horta y Sousa. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la boquilla.